Just bought fresh wild salmon from Costco, about 1.5 pound. We're going to use this fish to make salmon fish paste. Oh, by the way, you can use a fresh tuna or fresh swordfish instead of wild salmon. Those three fish is all good for make the fish paste. Okay, put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Turn on medium-low heat. Fish skin side the fry pan. Put cover on top of it. We're waiting for the fish cooked, so now we can make the paste. Half cup cashew, half cup water. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons sugar. If you don't like a sweet taste, you can add just 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons organic cane sugar. Half tablespoon Himalaya salt or sea salt. 1 teaspoon pepper. 5 cloves garlic. Okay, I'm going to use a Vitamix blender in high speed 30 seconds. If you use a different blender, you may need more time to make the mixture creamy. I use cashew to make the paste because this is a real food. You can use mayonnaise to make the paste, but it's not real food. The creamy mixture is ready. Let's turn on the stove. Turn on low heat. Keep stir the mix about 3 or 4 minutes until the mix turn to thick paste. Now it is ready. Let's check out the fish. It's just right. Turn off the heat. Mix the fish with the cashew paste together. The last step, add lemon. I'm going to add half lemon first. If you like a sour taste, you can add the other half. You can use this fish paste to make sandwich as a tuna sandwich. But I have a different idea to use this fish paste. I'm going to show you on next step. Okay, what we have there, 1 pita bread and half avocado, 1 egg. We need to beat the egg. And of course, the fish paste. Turn on medium-low heat. Add a little bit of oil. Put the egg first. Press down the pita bread to make the egg spread out evenly. Cook about a minute. Let the egg glued with the pita bread together. That will be ready. Egg side up and put the fish paste first put the fish paste on the half of the pita bread. And avocado. If you like that, you can add some cheese. Fold over the other side, look like omelet. You can eat right now, but if you want the crispy and outside, I will add a little bit of oil in the pan. Cook both sides, turn to golden color. The taste will be outside crispy, inside soft. It's very delicious and healthy. Hope you enjoy this meal. By the way, don't forget to share the recipe with your friend. See you next time.